Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Just a quick one about decomposed granite driveways. So I've had a few clients ask me because they had the need for a really long driveway and concrete has gotten so expensive, what they could use instead. And I said, you can use decomposed granite, crushed decomposed granite, 3/4, 3/8. That is a really good driveway material. A wonderful example, by the way, if you ever watched the movie Casino Royale, the very end of the movie, the bad guy, that's a decomposed granite driveway he's driving on. But back to this, so it's a great material for driveways because A, it is half the cost of concrete, and B, it is a nice permeable surface. You still get lots of color choices. It's really important if you're going to use this material for a driveway that you install at least 4 inches, preferably 6 of that compacted road base, and then just do the last 2 inches of the actual decomposed granite itself for kind of adding that color and topper. And that way it's a nice, really great material for that. Great for light driveways, not, 10, 15 cars a day on a driveway, but if you just have a couple of cars and a really long driveway, and yeah, you can even do a little bit of a hill, it will actually hold up pretty well on slopes as well. And slowly it will compact along with the rest of that base. So if you need a really big driveway and you don't want to spend a ton of money, look at using some decomposed granite. Well, that's all the time we have for today. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.